Alright, we're back with another episode. Not with a Mert this weekend. That can go do one. But we've got a star guest. He's back.
Bonjour.
He looks like he's dead. No, so he started to solder on with the exhaust underneath. Muckle it up. So we'll get on with that. And hopefully do something on this part. This dude's just sobering up under there.
Gary Lineker.
Look at that, Gary Lineker.
That on there, what did it?
It's almost there, isn't it? Now we just need to cut that market. Do you want the Sharpie?
Yeah.
Where's the bloody Sharpie? Where's the bloody Sharpie? Drop a clanger. My marky pose there. Almost there. Back on the Lineker. Come on, Steve. Gary Lineker that up. Right, so the exhaust back off. Steve's lined it all up. I've just got to clean this up, sand it off so we can weld it. Alright, so we've keyed all the exhaust up. Ready for Steve to tack it. You've just got to go back under now and fit it back on. Back under there.
Found her. She's been here the whole time.
Been here all the time, not in Portugal. Alright, so Steve finished off welding the exhaust. As you see me nattering in the background, so one of the banger lads next door. Steve was doing a cracking job, so I just left him to it. All flash dance there. Alright, so you just seen in the video, Steve welded the exhaust up. We just crawled under, put it on, just had to tweak it a little bit and just bend it a little bit. Not much, but that's on. He's just gone to try and find a coil lead because you've got to bring Naomi's one off the Corsa. So, I might be able to get a fire up in a minute. Oh, there's a big spark. Huh? There's a massive spark. I think so. I just have to start. Starter. Was it? Yeah. So here we had a few technical difficulties. It just clicked for some reason, wouldn't turn over. Come on, start, you bastard. That was mint. Alright, we're back. It's now Thursday. Steve's done the throttle cable on the Nova. You can see here that all done. He's wired it all in almost for the battery to run about the jump lead. So hopefully Steve's going to come up in a bit, do a bit more. He's got to put the drive shafts in, he's got all the bits for them. Got a new radiator because that shit itself the other day. So he's got to do that. C2, I'm going to do more on that. You've seen the last video. I've got to do the sills, give it a good polish, some little tinker bits, that's up for sale. I've got another car behind me, but you're not seeing that yet. That's going to be in the episodes after C2. Pretty good car, not bad. In a minute, I'm going to get the S3 in a minute because I've got to do the rock cover gasket because that shit itself. So we'll get that in, show a bit of that. Steve will be here, hopefully. Hopefully he doesn't go to pub. So yeah, I'll get the S3 in. Okay, let's get let it cool down a minute because the heat coming from here because I've just drove 13 miles. It's pretty warm. You can have a quick look what you think that might be. That's all you're having. That's all you're having. So yeah, so first I'll get this off. Then we can assess what we've got to take off to get the rocker cover off. We've got the Febby rocker cover gasket. I use Febby stuff all the time, so I know this stuff's good. You watch it now. Probably piss out everywhere. Right, so rocker cover off. You can see that it's been leaking up through things. I probably have spilled some here before, but look, they're all full, all coming through the bolt holes. I've got to take this pipe off. This one should be all right. I've took the PCV valve off, so I ain't got to damage these pipes, so that'll just come up. Took that one off there. So yeah, I've just got to take core packs out. Little one at the back there, well, two at the back, and that's it. And I think there's two on the cover here I've got to take off. I want to have a look at the cam out anyway. So yeah, I'll put you in time lapse. Rocker cover off, as you've seen in the time lapse. Well, the phone weren't there, was it? It's in my handy wally. So yeah, I've just cleaned all around here. That's all clean. This pipe at the back was a twat, the little one. Big one weren't too bad. Just got to be so careful because the rocker cover's plastic. It's brittle, wild brittle, so you got to be careful. But yeah, you can see where it had all been leaking. It was shit. It's gone all hard. I'll show you now where it is. So here's the rocker cover. Just all brittle and hard. You don't want that. Like, look at that. That's gave way there. So that was where it was leaking out of. So I'm going to clean this up. Nice. Put the new gasket on. I'm going to fire that back on and put it all back together. It took me about 15 minutes so far because that back pipe, I think it was this one here, that was a knobhead. So let's get it cleaned up and we'll get it back on. All right, that's all back together. Cool packs in, and two ballons at the back are done. This one's back on, PCV valve, whatever it's called, put back on. Just got to put the cover back on with this thing. Battery's back on. So while you're doing all electricals, you best take that off. So yeah, easy job. Ever so easy to do. Took about half an hour. The only thing is, all the hot air coming off the engine, I advised to do it when it's cooled down one morning or something, because the heat didn't help. It's warm, it's 25 degrees now. It was very warm. All right, I'm gonna give it a fire up. Let's make sure I ain't missed anything. There's an engine management light or anything. And then engine cover on, tidy up, go home. That sounds all good. It's got some faults to remove, because I've had the battery up, it's come up steering wheel fault and traction control lights come on. But I think I did that when I had the tren up in the air, or did something, took the battery off. So I'll plug it in, have a look, it should be all right. But that's good, no leaks, no misfires, as you heard in the video, no pops and bangs. So I'll have a look at the fault reader in a minute. Probably won't show you that, might do, we'll see. S3 done, code reader done. All I had to do was turn the steering wheel one way all the way the other way, and it reset everything, all sound. Don't know why VW and Audi do that when you take the battery off. Must be just to calibrate. I must remember all wheels pointing that way. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Steve didn't turn up. I didn't think he would. Go to the pub after the builder had been. So I'm going to end this episode here. Hopefully in the Nova next episode should be more far forward. I just had to get the S3 done. Had enough to do that. Also, the Merc's gone. Sold it. That's why I brought this other car under the cover. But you're not allowed to see that yet. So the C2's gone, which is beyond the S3. Should be another episode of that next week. I'll try and get that all done this Sunday. That could be up for sale. Then we can start the new car. Exciting things. And I'm going to look at another car tomorrow, which I hope I get. It needs a lot of work. Well, not too much work, but if I get it for a good price, it's a good profit. It's a hot hatch. So, fingers crossed. So remember, like, subscribe, tell your body, let's make the channel better. This is not free, doesn't have an oil leak anymore. So, I'm going home. See you next time.